Read reviews that most people are talking about PBAUTOS 110V 3-in-1 welding machine. The features we would like to recommend are as follows. 3-in-1 function design. PBAUTOS MIG 200 welder is designed with 3 functions: MIG, lift TIG, arc, which can meet different requirements of welding. Note, the lift TIG torch is not included in the package. Synergic control. The required current and wire feeding speed can be adjusted automatically after selecting the proper welding wire, 0.8, 0.9, 1.0 for option. The modes and machine parameters can be adjusted freely. It is very easy for both beginners and professionals. Safety protection. PBAUTOS welder is equipped with a built-in protection device, including overheating protection, overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, and overloading protection. So you can use it safely, and the machine service life can be extended as well. Portable use design. PBAUTOS welding machine is lightweight, only weighs 20 pounds, so you can carry it easily with a handle. 1.1 pounds of flux core wire can be installed in the machine. It also fits for less 1/8 inch welding rods with MMA/stick functions. Stainless steel can also be welded with a lift TIG torch, which needs to be bought by yourself. PBAUTOS has established itself as a professional manufacturer engaging in the production of welding machine. With the latest production process, we are able to provide a high and consistent quality for our products. We are a newborn member in the international welding market. We pursue excellence to provide efficient and effective solutions for our valuable customers. Each product goes through strict testing and inspections that always offers superior quality, reliability, and safety, which acknowledged by customers across the world. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.